Most studios and agencies staff projects from a bench they can't actually see. Who's good at what, who's free, and what they charge, all in one person's head. This is the Contractor and Freelancer Bench and Capability Tracker, a connected spreadsheet that turns that mental rolodex into a searchable bench you own. It starts with the bench roster, everyone you can call on, with their discipline, their day rate, how many days a week they're available to you, and when they're next free. The name here is the key every other tab reads from. So a capability, an assignment, and a utilization row all find each other. The capability matrix maps who can do what. For each contractor and each skill, you set a level, can lead, can do, or learning. And the cells color themselves, so the whole bench's coverage reads at a glance. A count per skill shows how deep you are, and a skill with a coverage of 1 is a bench risk you can see coming. Log each current commitment on the Assignments tab. The Bench and Utilization Board then nets the active work against each contractor's available days and flags who is free, who is fully booked, and who is over-allocated. The scheduling problem worth fixing before it becomes a delivery problem. Here's the part that earns its keep. Pick a skill in the Staffing Finder, and for every contractor, the board answers 2 questions at once. Are they qualified and are they free? And flags the ones who are both. Staff now. When a project lands, who can I staff this with stops being a memory test and becomes a filter. The dashboard shows the shape of the whole bench, how many are free, who's over-allocated, average utilization, your coverage by skill, and your day rate range. It's the view that tells you where the bench is strong and where it's thin, so you can widen a skill before a client asks. Per-seat resource management software holds your bench and your contractor's rates on its servers. This is the owned middle ground, structure you keep for an agency, a studio, or a small consultancy. Buy once and it's yours. Find it at Ardent Workshop.